Hi, hello children, welcome to Nayak Academy. Today I am with another arithmetic chapter, real numbers. What do you mean by numbers? Numbers is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. Now let us learn what are the different types of numbers. First type, natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural numbers starts from 1 and ends at infinity. And natural numbers denoted by symbol capital letter N. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and these numbers are called natural numbers. Second type of numbers, whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? All natural numbers together with the 0 are called whole numbers. All the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, these numbers are natural numbers. Including natural numbers, if we add 0 to this natural numbers, then such type of numbers we call it as whole number and it is denoted by symbol capital letter W. So all the whole numbers are natural numbers, but all the natural numbers are not whole numbers, because in the natural number 0 is not included, but in the whole number 0 is included along with the natural numbers. Third type of numbers, that is integers. What do you mean by integers? The collection of whole numbers and negative numbers are called integers. Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Such type of numbers are called integers and it is denoted by symbol capital letter Z. Z is equal to all the negative numbers, positive numbers including 0 are called integers. Now let us learn fourth type of numbers, that is rational numbers. A rational number is nothing but a number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and one more condition, Q should not equal to 0. Such type of numbers we call it as rational numbers and it is denoted by symbol capital letter Q. Let me give an example for rational numbers. 3 by 4, 5. So even 5 is also a rational number. Now 5 you can write in the form P by Q. How can you write, children? You can write 5 as 5 by 1. Even minus 2 is also a rational number. Minus 2 you can write it as minus 2 divided by 1 in the form P by Q. Only the condition is that denominator should not equal to 0. What happens if the denominator, if it is 0, 3 by 0, it is infinity. So you cannot divide 3 by 0. So it is meaningless. So what is the condition? The denominator should not equal to 0. Such type of numbers we call it as rational numbers. Now let us learn fifth type of numbers, that is irrational numbers. A number that cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not equal to 0, are called irrational numbers, and irrational numbers denoted by symbol capital letter Q dash. Let me give an example for irrational numbers. Root 2. What is the value of root 2? It is 1.414, like that it will continue, children. Non-terminating, non-recurring numbers are called irrational numbers. Root 2 is an irrational number. Or you can take pi value. What is the pi value? 22 by 7. So pi value is 22 by 7. If you take pi value, you will get 3.14, like that. So it will continue. So such type of numbers we call it as irrational numbers. Non-terminating, non-recurring numbers we call it as irrational numbers. Now let us learn last type of numbers, that is real numbers. What do you mean by real numbers? The collection of all the rational numbers and irrational numbers together we call it as real numbers, and it is denoted by the symbol capital letter R. So real numbers included all the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Example for real numbers. So let me give any example. Let me give one integers -2, 0, rational numbers 3/4, one irrational number I'll give you, that is 1.0101 and so on. So these are the examples for real numbers. This is all about today's session. In my next video, let us learn Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of two given numbers. Till then, keep practicing these definitions. Thank you.